In this video, I'll show you how to create an author profile in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the left-hand side, which is the navigation panel, and below, you want to go beside your profile and click the cog for settings. Now that will take you to the settings page, and what you want to do is simply head over to the left-hand side again. And from here, what you want to do is simply click on permissions and ownership. Once you click on permissions and ownership, what you want to do is simply click on the only option, which is permissions and ownership. Now, in this page under permissions, this is where we can add a contributor as well as a basic author. To add a basic author, simply head over to the Add Basic Author button and just simply click on it. Now a pop-up will show, and from here you can add the details of your author. If you want to add an author image, simply head over to author image, and in here you want to click on the arrow going up. Now that will open your files, and what you want to do there is just simply add the image. Once you have successfully uploaded your profile, it will automatically load the image. Now, while the image loads, what you can do is add a display name. Now, this is the name that they will show with any associated content. So just simply add their name. And at the profile, you can add their first name as well as their last name, and even add a website for their profile. What you could also do is below the profile, we have a bio. Now, if we click on right here, in here we can start adding the bio, or what you could also do is set a link. To add a link, simply head over to the top and right hand side. You will see a few options here. Simply click on link. And in here, you can add a link name. We can name this as a website. And on the link, just simply add the link. And you will notice a cog on the right hand side beside the link. If you click on that one, it will actually show you if you either want to open this in a new window, or what you could also do is just keep this off so it will stay within your website. Now, once you're done, simply head over to the bottom and right hand side and click on apply. What you could also do is within a text, you can set this as bold, you can italize, or even add a underline if that is something that you want to do. And once you're done, simply head over to the top and right hand side and click on save. Now, once we have successfully created our first author, if we scroll down, you will automatically see the list of authors in which you have created. To edit an author, simply click on an author profile. And once you do that, it will automatically show you the details, and in here, you can edit them in a way that you want to be. What you could also do is remove an author, and to do that, simply head over to the bottom and click on Remove Author. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.